Hello everyone. Today I'll explain computer networking. So let us start with the contents. First we learn the basic of networking. That what is networking? The advantages of networking, its components, its types of network, its architecture, topologies, security. And at the end we will study some facts. So let us start with our very first topic. That is, what is networking? When a group of computers and peripheral devices like printers, which are linked together for the purpose of sharing data and hardware resources, is called networking. Every computer in a network is called a node. A network can be linked by the following: cables, telephone lines, radio waves, infrared light beams. Advantages of networking. Networking brings efficiency, economy, effectiveness to any organization. There are few parts of it. First, reduction in hardware cost. Devices like modems, printers, scanners, etc. can be shared. This reduces the cost. Quickest document delivery. It helps us to share data instantly. Reduces redundancy. To share data, we used to use hard copies, but now we can share through soft copy. Next, preserving information. We should be keeping backups on a central location so that we will have one place to look for the lost data. Increases efficiency. The deletion, modification or upgradation of the software is to be done at a single point only. Effective use of storage media. We should have one big hard disk in the server instead of having small hard disks in different computers. Networking components. There are 5 types of networking components. Networking cable. They use twisted pair cable. There are 4 pairs of wires. There are a 45 connector crimped at both ends. Router. They have a wireless antenna. They increase communication range. Network card. The most common network card is the Ethernet network card. They are physically attached to a computer. Modem. Convert digital to analog signal while sending and vice versa while receiving. They are connected through phone lines. They can be attached to a computer on a peripheral component interconnect PCI slot. Hub and switch. When 2 or more computers are connected, we use a hub or a switch. Earlier, we used hub, but now we prefer switch more. Acts as a central point of a network. It is a box of RJ45 ports. Types of network. There are 4 types of network. The first one is local area network, LAN. When 2 or more computers and peripheral devices are connected within a small area in a room, office, campus, etc. They are connected physically through wires. They are faster than WAN. Second one is wide area network, WAN. Connects 2 or more computers located at distant places, linked by telecommunication satellite signals. The most common example is telecom system. It needs a telecommunication media to transfer data. The third one is Metropolitan Area Network, MAN. It is larger than WAN, and since it covers the city, it is called metropolitan. The fourth one is Personal Area Network, PAN. It is for an individual person. It allows communications between laptops, phones, personal digital assistants, PDAs. It covers a range less than 10 meters, that is 30 feet. Networking architecture. It is the overall design of a computer network. There are 2 types of networking architecture. The first one is client-server network. There are several computers in a network called clients or workstations. These computers are connected to the main computer called the server. The server provides services to the clients and control access to hardware, software, etc. The second one is peer-to-peer network. In this type of network, all computers have equal capacity and capabilities. Since there is no central server, all computers act as a server as well as a client. Networking topologies. It is the layout in which various components of a network like peripherals are connected and communicate with each other. They can be of two types: physical layout of nodes, workstations and cables in a network. Logical, the way information flows from different components. The types of topologies are point-to-point, bus, star, ring, mesh and tree. Point-to-point. It is the simplest form of network structure. It is suitable for small areas. It provides safer and faster connection. Bus. It uses one main cable, sends data in one direction. Used where cable usage is less. The disadvantage is that if the main cable fails, the entire network fails. Star. It is the central point, acts as a hub. It is famous as setup cost is low. If one node fails, the others continue to work. Because of this reason, the star is called a robust network. Ring. All nodes are connected in a circular manner, used both in LAN and WAN. If one computer fails, the whole network goes down. Therefore, it is slower than star. Tree. It is the most common network setup. It is a group of star-figured workstations. If one node or a hub fails, it will cut off from the whole network. But if the central hub fails, the whole network will go down. It is easy to expand but difficult to maintain. Mesh. Every node is connected to every node. It can handle a large value of traffic, commonly used in wireless networks. Now, network security. Network security means protecting data and resources from an unauthorized access. It is the most important aspect of networking. Facts. When two users simultaneously talk via internet with live video, it is called video conferencing. Internet is a term which refers to a computer or network restricted to an organization. Extranet refers to a computer network that allows controlled access to an information source available on the internet. Protocols, a certain set of rules that determine how data should be transferred over networks, compressed and presented on the screen. Wireless access point, WAP, is a device that connects wireless communication devices. Thank you.